A bright idea fluttered through the air like a fluttering butterfly. A girl with flour-dusted fingers dreamed of creating the perfect birthday surprise. Adventure awaited, but a sweet treat was missing. A frown crept onto their faces as they realized Dad's favorite chocolate cake was nowhere to be found. Time raced on. Panic bubbled like boiling water. Without ingredients, how could they bake bliss for the birthday boy? A little sister's voice chimed in amidst the chaos. She wanted to help, though reaching the top shelf seemed like a mighty mountain to climb. Up they went, dreams of cake-inspired laughter, until whoosh! Flour and sugar danced in the air, erupting in a snowy shower. The dessert disaster looked wild and wobbly, but it was theirs, sweeter than the finest cake. Joy bubbled in the room. The birthday boy chuckled heartily, amazed at the creativity swirling around him. Instead of perfection, laughter filled their hearts. Each gooey bite tasted like pure love, richer than any cake could be. In joyous harmony, they realized the best part of the day wasn't the treat, but the fun they had together as a team. Bright balloons floated above as giggles echoed around, the celebration blossoming into a joyful affair, as sweet as the gooeyest dessert. The sun began to set on their adventure. They snuggled close, savoring their creation, clinging to the warmth of the moment. Together, they dreamed of what would come next. Their hearts whispered that every day could be an adventure, filled with laughter and magic.